Hello everyone, this is Danny Sampson. I'm going to explain dsa 7th experiment. Uh, this is the header file and this is the function protocol, and this is we're declaring in choice is equal to 0, and we checking that the choice is not equal to 7. If it's equal to 7, it's not go to this lines, this function calls. If it's not equal to 7 means it goes to this option and it will print all these print statements. This will follow the users to give the instructions. And I'm creating a switch case called choice, and creating case one is in section beg and the function call, and break that, and case two, creating case two as in section lost, and this will call that a function is used as below, and I break that function like that. I am using these all cases as delete bug and delete lost, search, display, exit as 0. And this first I go to insert bug is here. I call this insert bug is here, and if I press 1 it comes to this paragraph, and it will do what I said. Got a set node is into ptr and pointer temp, and I'm declaring the item as a int, and I'm allocating a size for PTR given input structure node, and malloc size of this is a user function, and if PTR is equal to null, the going to print that overflow, and this there is no space to print, so I'm going to print overflow. Else if there is space means I will print enter the data and read that value, and ptr data is goes to item, and checking head is equal to null. If it's not equal, it will head value go to ptr, and ptr value comes to head and it will print. And else temp is goes to head, and while we checking that temp next is equal to not equal to our head. If it's not equal, and it goes to temp and temp next, and ptr goes to next, and this value saved in head, and ptr value saved in here, and like that it will exchange these values, and it will print node insert after printing the node, inserting the node. And I'm going to insert last, same like as it is like insert beginning structure node, and declaring these values and declaring item as int, and allocating the memory for ptr as using this function, and checking the ptr is equal to null, and if it's equal, and going that giving that overflow. Else going to print that value and read that value, and enter checking asking input as from the user and deleting that, and ptr data is equal to item, it will exchange the values, and then checking that head is equal to null. If it's equal, head value goes to ptr, and it will exchange value as head to ptr. Else temperature is head, and temp is next and head, and temp goes to next, and the value goes to ptr, and the head value goes to this ptr. And after inserting the node, it will tell that node inserted delete beginning, and declaring these values, and then checking head is equal to null, and print underflow. If it's not, there is no value, it will print underflow. Else if I am checking this, it's equal to her head or not. If it's equal, it goes to next line. It is equal to null, and free head uh, print node. Sorry, yeah, free head, and checking that value. And if it's deleted, it go print. It will not deleted. Like that previous one, like this paragraph, like this. Here, this is the same like as explained. So if it's there's no, it will print underflow, and if it's there, it will delete the node, and it will print no delete. Yeah, it's also like that. A ptr head, and ptr head next is goes to this value, and it will deleted, and after deletion the value will be printed here, which number is deleted, and then no delete, it will print no deleted. If we need to search any value, we need to give this require items, and then item the I is equal to 0, and flag is equal to 1, ptr head and ptr is equal to null. If it's equal to null, the list is empty. Otherwise there is a value and we going to print the value. And it's asking that to the user enter the item which you want to search. You want to enter the item and it will read the item, and checking that head goes to data and is equal to item. If it's true, item found at the location, and it will print that location of the item and the item. Flag is 0, and else it will print the head, the artist will head, and find if item is not equal to data, item found, and it will print the item. That's it. And if there is no item found, means we given a wrong item, given is not equal to 0, it will print item not found. And we want to display the item, means we need to given this required input, and head is equal to null, and it will print if head is null, it will list is empty. Else print value, the value will be printed using this read value, and then will print. After that we going to print that value, and then ptr data also will be print. Let's we check that output. Going to give choice number 1, going to insert at beginning, the value is 25. The enter data node inserted, sorry sorry, yeah, give number 1, and I'm going to enter the data 23233, and then I'm going to display that 6. Yeah, the entered value is here. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to press 3, and number 3 is deleted, not deleted. I'm going to display that 6. Yeah, the balance is 25, 28. I'm going to delete that to 4. Yeah, not deleted. So I'm going to print that. Yeah, there is no, this is empty. That's it.